It's right there. That last ingredient, summer truffles. So that's what we have in making spaghetti. It's from Italy, product of Italy. Truffle pasta sauce. So I'm not using anything else. Nothing but what's in here. I'll salt and pepper the meat, but usually I put, the green peppers in it, onions, garlic. Not this time. I want to taste that truffles right there. I don't want it to be diluted with anything else or overpowered by anything else, especially like rosemary. Also, these noodles, these are also Italian. And what is special about them, not that they're Italian, but that they're Italian, but they were pressed with a press that uses the brass rollers. Apparently the brass rollers, see if you can see it, it leaves imperfections in the noodles, which of course holds some more of the flour, but holds the flavor of the sauce as well. Theoretically, it's supposed to be the better pasta. But anyhow, so that's what we're using. A Italian tomato sauce that is made with truffles, which is of course is a mushroom. I know some people don't like that. Brass rolled spaghetti noodles. But we are using good old American Food Line beef. A little bit more than I wanted. I actually wanted about 0.6, 2/3 of a pound, but we'll go with a pound. And anyhow, that's what we're having for dinner. So let me get this cooking and going, rocking and rolling. See you guys in a bit. All right, so I got the ground beef cooking. This may be a little bit too much for this one jar. I have another jar right here, but this is a sweet pepper flavor. So I don't want to mix it. I'll go out in the truck and I'll just get a simple can of tomato sauce, a small one, add to it. Hopefully it won't impact the flavor that much. All right, so got the UPS package came in today, so let's see what we got here. Okay, everybody. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Oh crap! Look at that. Yes, sirree. We got this right here. Oh, you guys don't know what this is. That's the. I almost probably need the large one. And then we have this bad boy right there. And, oh, they sent me something else. What is this? This is something extra. Huh. But this is basically a holster, gun holster, carrying case. See if we can get in here with one hand. It'll be a little tough. Unroll on this. You guys just wait. You'll see it in a second. Come on, please. Oh, here we go. Here goes the thing. Oh my God. Is that thing beautiful or what? Here we go. Whoop. Covering. There we go. Check it out. It's a gun wrap, it's called, actually. Huh. But there you go. Is that thing beautiful or what? Gun lays down in here. And this folds up. Knocks down. Oh yeah. And this folds over. There you go. They're out of Fort Worth. But that thing's a beauty. Hold on while I'm gonna buckle this back up. Just hold on. There you go. Yeah, that thing's a beauty. But here goes, right here. This is what I've been waiting for. See if this comes out. Oh, and it does. And voila. That right there, ladies and gentlemen, is what you call they call it a tool bag. Okay, here we go. Oh my God, check that out. Check out that room. Stuff to put in here, little pockets. Look at all that room. Now, they call it a tool bag. Me, yeah, bad spaghetti. I got spaghetti cooking tonight. Treat for you guys, because it's straight from Italy. Myself, there you go. Heck yeah, look at there. Plenty of room now. No room there. I like these little tin cans right here. Used this one already. This was actually pretty good. I like this one. Oh yeah, look at all that room now. It's actually a, I'm gonna use it as a toiletry bag. Look at all that room. Plenty of room now. Anyhow, that's my new toiletry bag. Let me stock it up, and I'll show you the end products when I'm done. Yep. All right, see you guys in a bit. All right, I just poured this in here, and I can tell you, I smell something I've never smelled before, and I think that must be the truffles. My understanding, just a small little truffle has strong taste, strong aroma to it and everything. But yeah, looking forward to trying out these truffles. Never had them before, even though I've spent time in France. Yeah, it kind of has a mushroom smell. So yeah, this is gonna be interesting. Looks like it's gonna be enough. I'll try to get some more, the last bit out of this jar right here. All right, see you guys later. Okay, so here we go. Got everything packed up. Got my soap in the little things here, stuck in these little pockets. Here's one currently being used. Hairbrush, after-shave lotion, what's left. Dr. Squatch, moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. Real good stuff. Highly recommend it. Deodorant, old aftershave, new cologne. Got my vino here. Got my leather cologne, Spanish leather shaving cream. Yeah. My groomer thing. But yeah, close it up. And let's see how much. There you go. See how much smaller the old one was. This is an old tool bag. I actually bought this at Aisle 80 truck stop. It's a canvas tool bag. I was carrying some of the stuff in. And now I got a lot more room. Put everything in here and carry it. Yeah, all right. See you guys later. It's not Italian, but it is shredded Parmesan and Romano cheeses. So, yep, that's my cheese I'll be using. Got it covered up, just on low heat. I'm heating up the water for the noodles now. Yep. All right, we got another package here. This one a little bit easier. Just pull the tab. There you go. All right. Two things. What's up? All right, so I went to reheat the spaghetti from last night. I opened the lid to the Tupperware. Definitely had an aroma about it, and I'm going to assume that's the truffles. And when I licked the spoon after I dumped the contents of the Tupperware into the bowl to reheat, I licked the spoon. I definitely tasted something, you know, definitely the truffle taste. And yeah, I feel no need to try truffles again, actually, honestly. So, but I can't wait till next time when I use this other bottle here, sweet peppers. So, and let me see, it has sweet peppers, onions. That's its main contents, sweet peppers. Anyhow, so yeah, had truffles, smelled it, tasted it. Don't see what the big deal is actually. All right, you guys be safe. Out. Oil made from coconuts, some starch, earth wax, dead sea salt, huh. Natural castor oil. I got dead sea salt again. Did you know you can go to libertymutual.com to customize your car insurance so you only pay for what you need? Vanilla extract. Smells like a crayon. I wonder if you can eat this too. Cedar and vanilla. Huh.